Today our topic is hyperbola. If it is the form of the hyperbola, then the standard equation will be x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. The properties of hyperbola is almost same with the property of the ellipse. What is the center here? The coordinate of the center is 0 0, vertices a0 minus a0. Foci, you see here this foci is ae comma 0 and this s dash is minus ae comma 0. Length of the transverse axis, that is this length. The distance between two vertices, that is 2a unit, and length of the conjugate axis, this perpendicular to the transverse axis, that is 2b unit. Equation of the transverse axis, this x axis y equal to 0, equation of x axis, that is y equal to 0. Equation of conjugate axis, that is y axis, the equation of y axis, that is x equal to 0. Equation of directrices, that is these two red lines are the directrices, that is x equal to plus minus a by e. Eccentricity, e equal to root over of 1 plus b square by a square. For hyperbola, eccentricity is greater than 1. Length of the latus rectum, that is the perpendicular drawn through the foci, that is 2b square by a, and parametric form x is equal to a sec theta and y equal to b tan theta. Now, if this center shifted to the point alpha beta instead of the origin, then the standard form will be x minus alpha whole square by a square minus y minus beta whole square by b square equal to 1. Then the center is alpha beta, vertices alpha plus a comma beta, alpha minus a comma beta, foci alpha plus a comma beta and alpha minus a comma beta. Length of the transverse axis and conjugate axis is same with the previous. Equation of transverse axis, y equal to constant, that is y equal to beta as it is parallel to x axis, and equation of conjugate axis as it is parallel to y axis, so x equal to constant, that is x equal to alpha. Equation of directrices, that is alpha plus minus a by e, these two red lines. Eccentricity is same, root over of 1 plus b square by a square. Length of the latus rectum, that is 2b square by a, and that parametric form, that is x equal to alpha plus a sec theta, y equal to beta plus b tan theta. Now, if this hyperbola rotates, that is along y axis, if y axis become the transverse axis, then the equation will be, the standard equation will be y square by a square minus x square by b square is equal to 1. Then the center 0 0, vertices 0 comma a, 0 comma minus a, foci 0 comma a, 0 comma minus a, these two. Length of the transverse axis, that is 2a unit, length of the conjugate axis 2b unit. Equation of transverse axis, that is y axis, x is equal to 0. Equation of conjugate axis, that is y equal to 0. And equation of directrix, that is y equal to plus minus a by e. Eccentricity root over of 1 plus b square by a square. Here also the eccentricity for all kinds of parabola, eccentricity is greater than 1. Length of the latus rectum, that is 2b square by a, and the parametric form y is equal to a sec theta, x is equal to b tan theta. Now, again in this type, if the center shifted to the point alpha beta, then the standard form will be y minus beta whole square by a square minus x minus alpha whole square by b square equal to 1. Then the center is at the point alpha beta, that vertices are alpha comma beta plus a, alpha comma beta minus a, and foci alpha comma beta plus a, alpha comma beta minus a. Length of the transverse axis, that is 2a unit, length of the conjugate axis 2b unit. Equation of transverse axis, that is x is equal to alpha. Equation of conjugate axis, y is equal to beta. Equation of directrices, that is these two red lines. what, as they are parallel to x axis, that is y equal to constant, y is equal to beta plus minus a by e. Eccentricity is same, root over of 1 plus b square by a square, length of the latus rectum 2b square by a, and the parametric form y equal to beta plus a sec theta and x is equal to alpha plus a tan theta.